Welcome to Cortex Engineering Software Learning Blog. In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Navisworks to navigate CADWorks models. So first, we're going to open up CADWorks models, like opening up a DWG. So here I have a DWG file, which has multiple X references for pipes and steelworks and other components. So I'm just going to open up this DWG and I can navigate my CADWorks model here. To look at the properties for any one of the objects, I can just simply select the object, and what it does, I can see them in the properties here underneath the CADWorks. You can see the line numbers and database codes and the weight and length and the other properties. If you are not able to see that, make sure you go to options, and underneath the options we click on general and sorry, the file readers here, and DWG and DXF. And if I expand it further, it says convert object properties. So make sure the CADWorks option is ticked on in order to view this property here. The other thing that we can do with this one here, as you can see on the left hand side, the selection tree. If it is not visible, you can just simply click on selection tree underneath the home tab. And here I can see the section for CADWorks. You can do by properties. If it's by standard, you won't be able to see it. So you need to set that to properties here. And underneath that, we can see CADWorks. And if you can select that, it will select the entire model. What I want to do is I want to click the expand CADWorks section here. And underneath that, I have the various properties for CADWorks. For example, for line number here, I can simply select any line number, and that will select the components in here. Like for example, if I select this way here, 3408G, see here, it has selected this line here. If I right click here, if I click on select inspector, it will open up this window here. So if I close this one again, if I right click and click on select inspector, it's going to show me all the components underneath that line number here. So then I can just select any of the components, and I can just select on show item, and then what it does basically, it highlights that component in that object here. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to get a few more properties here for that particular component here. For example, if I have let's say a reducer reducing butt weld here, I want to see the line number or the part number, length and weight and everything. So I can just click on tweak properties definition, and here I can add a few more properties here, and then we'll add another section. I can click on another one. So you can add a few more. So it's going to add a few columns here. So let's say if I want to do in a grid view format, I can just do grid view. So it makes it easy. So first I want to display CADWorks. So I just make sure everything is CADWorks. You can also display like AutoCAD properties, like a layer names or line type or whatever. In this case, we are interested only in CADWorks object properties. Okay, so the first one, I want to have line number, or then I want to have description, and I want to have a long description probably, and then so that long annotation is not long description. That description is a long annotation actually. I want to have a tag number if I have any tag numbers there. Then I want to have the weight there, and then probably what else I want to have length, for example, and click OK. Alright, you can see here, you can see all the properties here. Or what you can do is you can export that as a CSV file for bill of material items. I can just simply do export to CSV. Then what it's going to do is it's going to create a bill of material for that particular line number. Okay, so if I just go and look at the desktop and look at the BOM file there. So as you can see here, it has created bill of material for that line number only. If I want to have a bill of material for the entire model, then I can just simply select here. Then it will display objects here for all components here. I can sort them by line number or whatever. And then I can click on any one of the components and then it will highlight them. It makes it easy to navigate. But yeah, that's how we can use Navisworks. There are a lot of things that we can do with Navisworks, but this is the few of them. You can do like a find items here. So what you can do is you can do by properties, then CADWorks, then you can do, let's say, found by length or sizes. So let's say if I want to do line size, so find all the components that is equal to let's say 200 by 150, for example. Okay, and then I can just dock them on the right hand side, and then I can do okay, find next. So it will find the properties here. Once it's available here, I can just zoom in and it will take me there. I can do find next, zoom the other one, find next, and then it will take me to that component. So this makes it a lot easier in terms of navigating around larger models. You can, of course, export this selection for future use. So that makes it a lot easier. Thanks for watching.